day 9 of the Shape Up for Running, and this is going to involve a little bit more core work along with the glutes. You're going to need a mat for this one, or something soft for your elbows anyway. You're going to come into a plank, so your elbows should be directly underneath your shoulders, palms facing up. You see that I'm in the frame? Yeah. Palms facing up, and your palms, backs of your hands should be always lie quite relaxed on the back of the floor. If they start doing that, it means you're holding through the shoulders, pushing through the elbows a little bit more. So you either come into a half plank, so you inhale and hold into a half plank, and then you're going to raise one leg like this for 30 seconds one side, and then 30 seconds the other. So that slightly hurt me because I haven't got any cushioning for my knees. Or you're going to come up for a full plank, flex the foot and raise up and down to that foot without pushing up like this. So it's only your leg that's moving, engaging the glute. So again, 60 seconds, maybe do 5 on one side, 5 on the other side for 60 seconds. Then you're going to spin round onto your bottom for a reverse plank, tabletop reverse plank. So palms facing away is probably a little bit easier. Then you're going to come up into a tabletop, and you're going to have to really squeeze your glutes. You can just put your head here, don't hold it way back there, that's too much stress. Then you're going to keep squeezing your glutes and hold for 60 seconds just to work your glute max. And then for the last minute, you're going to come into an elevated plank, forward a little bit, up to here, and you're going to rotate through, turn, so your feet are going to be sideways onto here, and switch, rotate through, turn, sideways onto here. If that's too hard, it's easy for you to just stay 15 seconds one side. You can just scoot, turn, scoot, turn. So that's 60 seconds plank glute raises, 60 seconds reverse plank tabletop, and then to finish 60-second side plank rotations. Again, if that's too difficult for that 60 seconds, just break it down into 4 sets of 15 seconds or 2 sets of 30, whatever you're comfortable with. And that's day 9 for the Shape Up for Running.